Hello, this is Abel Tejeda with American Mortgage Group, and today we're going to be talking about what it takes to be able to obtain a VA loan. So if you're a reservist, a veteran, or active duty, I'm going to break down everything that is necessary to be able to get a VA loan for a home purchase. Before we begin with the breakdown of the eligibility requirements to get a VA loan, let's get into the benefits of why you should get a VA loan and why it's, in my opinion, the best loan in the country. First of all, it's 100% financing. That means that there's no down payment involved. Now remember, even though it's 100% financing, there are still closing costs involved that you should talk to both your lender and your real estate agent. That way you can pursue and ask the seller to help you with this closing cost, as long as get credits from your lender if possible. So having said that, another benefit of getting a VA loan is you don't pay mortgage insurance, which is great. That saves you probably between $200 to $400 a month compared to somebody that gets an FHA loan. And probably the last and one of the biggest benefits of a VA loan is if for some reason you get into financial problems, the VA can pretty much intercede for you with your lender to try to come to an arrangement, an agreement with them so that you're able to keep your home. Now let's get into the eligibility requirements. There are two sides for the eligibility. One is the individual, the one obtaining the loan, and the second one is the property. If you're going to get a VA loan, the property that you're buying has to be VA approved. This is usually not an issue when it's a single family residence. Obviously, it has to be up to VA standards, and that is discovered by the appraiser when doing the purchase. The VA will not allow you to overpay for a property. So pretty much the property that you're buying has to be at the same purchase price that you're buying the property for. And second, when buying a condo, you have to make sure that the condo you're buying, condo or townhome, that the HOA is FHA or VA approved. In this case, you're getting a VA loan, so it has to be VA approved. And your lender can find that out for you. So what determines if you do or do not qualify for a VA loan? Well, that is your certificate of eligibility. What we do is we contact the VA after obviously sitting down and meeting with you. All we need is your DD-214, and the VA issues a certificate of eligibility that states how much you're able to qualify for. Now remember, it's very different, the amount that you qualify for in San Diego County as opposed to Riverside County. We have a lot of VA clients that are actually moving to the Riverside area. That's Murrieta, Temecula, Hemet, and we're able to help you there as well. But the VA rules change from one county to the other. So once again, all we do need is your DD-214. We'll get the certificate of eligibility, and we'll be able to break down all your options for you. So what are the requirements? Obviously, you need to be employed. If you are active duty, all we need is your latest LES to determine how much you qualify for. We're able to use your BAH, your BAS, COLA, and all other entitlements that you will keep receiving. The property or the purchase that you're doing has to be as owner occupied. VA loan is not designed for second homes or investment properties, which brings a really good question. Are you able to have multiple VA loans? And the answer is yes. Yes, but not in the same county. For example, if you were stationed in North Carolina and bought a property there, and all of a sudden you got transferred to San Diego, you're able to use your VA loan for another purchase here in San Diego. But first, we need to determine how much entitlement is left. And once again, that is determined by certificate of eligibility that we can help you obtain. So what is the minimum credit requirement to get a VA loan? That depends obviously on your income, but the minimum is 580. We can help you get a VA loan with as low as 580. But if your score's not there, don't worry. We actually offer free credit counseling for our VA clients, and this is free of charge. We want to help you to be able to get to the point where you're able to buy. Bottom line is, if you're looking to buy using your VA loan, give me a call. That way we can sit down, request your certificate of eligibility, see what is the max that you qualify for, what your options are, and what your payments would be at different price points. This is Abel Tejeda with American Mortgage Group. And I want to thank you for your service.